Here is the long-awaited video step-by-step method on how I make my signature chocolate cupcakes. This recipe makes 19 cupcakes or 2 whole cakes. First things first, we want to preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I've preheated my oven. Next we want to put the cupcake cases in the cupcake trays. Now this makes 19 cupcakes, so we have 19 cupcake cases. These are all the ingredients that you need to make my cupcakes. Firstly, I add all of the dry ingredients into a bowl. I have a tall mixing bowl with a spout, so I can actually tip the mixture into the cupcake cases. So in this bowl, I have all my dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, 1.5 cups of caster sugar, and it does need to be caster sugar, half a cup of baking cocoa. This cocoa, I like to use the Cadbury one, that is my favorite, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Now I just use a fork to mix this mixture. I have got 3/4 of a cup of hot water, so I'm adding my hot water to the dry ingredients. I add the hot water first. Next I use 3/4 of a cup of milk. Now this is best if it's full fat milk, but I've just got light milk today. So I've got 3/4 of a cup of milk. Give it a good mix with the fork. You can also use a whisk, or you could use a stand mixer beater. I find that this is fine. Now this is quite a liquidy mixture. It's going to get even more liquidy because we're going to add the rice bran oil next. So going in next is 1/4 of a cup of rice bran oil. It can be canola oil. I have had so many questions saying, can it be canola oil? Yes, it can. I just happen to prefer rice bran oil. Next is 1 teaspoon or 1 capful of vanilla essence. So that's going in. With every ingredients that I'm adding, wet ingredients I'm adding, I'm giving it a good mix. And lastly, I add 2 large eggs. So we mix in one at a time with the eggs. So the mixture is nice and glossy. It is a thinner consistency, and that is why the cupcakes turn out so moist and delicious. Now they do have 1/2 cup of cocoa in them, so they are very chocolatey, but that's how I like them, and this is what you should be working with. Now it's time to pour the mixture into either 2 cake tins or 19, and it is exactly 19, cupcake cases, and this is why I have a spout. Now they're ready to go into the oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. And that's how I make my chocolate cupcakes. Now I have developed this recipe from many years of baking many chocolate cakes, and this one I find works the best for me.